Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are setting up the development environment and installing TensorFlores. The first step is to download the Python version 3.9.6. To this, search for this version in Google, like download. Choose your system operator and download. For my computer, I use this version, Windows Store. Install this version and create a folder for this lesson. Okay. New folder lesson 1. Open your VS Code and choose this folder. And select here and open folder and find for this folder is here. Lesson 1. Okay. Create a new file named lesson 1. Lesson 1 dot ipmb. This is a Jupyter notebook file. And create a virtual environment. Handle this library installation. Await for detection kernel and select here Python environment, create Python environment, VM, and select this version Python 9.3.9.6 and wait. So, okay, now we will go install the TensorFlores. For this, search in Google for PyPy and right here TensorFlores. Select this library, copy the command to install and copy here. Okay, this library is installed. Now we will go and test and clear here. Clear output and import TensorFlores. Okay, this library is ready to use. Check this. It's finished to install. Thank you for your attention and see you in next class.